In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted drafts on Instagram story. So let's go and open our Instagram app and tap on your profile icon or on your story, wherein you can see there to the photo icon on the bottom left. You can see there all your drafts, all the stories that you have not posted, so that will go to your drafts. Now, if the photo is not here anymore, maybe they were deleted already for 7 days, here's what we can do. Go to your profile settings and tap the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Tap on your activity. Now from there, you have lots of options. Tap on the recently deleted. In here, you can view and manage your stories that has been deleted, recently deleted. So you can recover them, but after that specific 30 days, you won't be able to restore these stories anymore. So you can just tap on the three dots to restore them. And the other way for you to recover or to restore your deleted drafts on Instagram is to go to your settings and just write on the search bar the word downloads. And then you'll find there this option wherein you can download your information. So it will give us probably a chance for the Instagram to give us the downloaded files of our photos, our videos, and probably can include our recently deleted post. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.